Every journey begins with a spark, a dream to escape the ordinary. Today, that dream takes us from the heart of Delhi to the soul of freedom, Goa. These roads are more than just paths, they are storytellers. Every mile is a new chapter, every turn, a fresh perspective. Life, like a journey, isn't about the destination, it's about the ride. The beauty of travel is in its unpredictability. It teaches you to embrace the unexpected, to pause and soak in the moments you would otherwise rush past. Isn't that what life is all about? Slowing down to truly live? A journey isn't just about changing places, it's about changing perspectives. It teaches you that happiness lies in the simplest moment, a smile, a warm cup of tea, or the wind whispering freedom in your ears. The road isn't always easy. There are challenges, but after every tough ride comes a beautiful sunrise. That's life. It shows you that if you keep going, every dark night leads to a brighter day. From the bustling streets of Delhi to serene beaches of Goa, this ride isn't across states. It's a journey within. It's a proof that passion and perseverance, no distance is too great. This ride wasn't just about reaching destination. It was about finding myself along the way. It reminded me that true happiness comes from taking that first step toward your dreams. Here's to the ride that remind us of who we are and the roads that show us who we can be. So let's ride on the roads that lead us to our true passions. Keep moving, keep learning, and never stop. Because the journey is the real destination. Keep dreaming, keep riding, and never stop exploring. Because the journey is the destination. Ride, dream, discover.